Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial video to help you guys fix a problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can create yourself an Amazon account. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm gonna be showing. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Now let's move on. First step, you can download Amazon from Play Store or App Store. So I've already downloaded it and I'm gonna open the app. Once you open the app, first step, it's not gonna straight up take you over here. Once you open the app, it's gonna look like this. So to go into like the account creating page, you need to click on the person looking icon at the bottom. It's gonna be the second option from the bottom. All right, once you click on it, over here you can choose create account. Once you click on create account, it's gonna take you to the account creation page. Over here you need to enter your first name over here, and then you need to enter your mobile number or your email. So I'm gonna enter my mobile number over here. Once you enter your mobile number, you can create a passport for your account over here. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Once you create a passport, scroll a bit down and click on where it says verify mobile number, and it's gonna send a verification code to your mobile number. And once you verify your mobile number, your account under this name, this phone number, and this passport will be created. All right, so once you do this, basically your account will be created. All right, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can create an Amazon account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day and peace out.